So I actually have an entire ancient text just on Chyavanprash and all of its myriad of benefits. It's really boosting to the rejuvenation of the tissues, as well as having your immune system be really strong. And it's sweet tasting. It actually does have a sweetness to it, but don't be deterred by that, because the way that this ancient formula in Ayurveda was created was the sweet actually drives it into the deeper tissues. So all 7 bodily dhatus or tissues are nourished by this Ayurvedic yummy jam. So Chyavanprash is actually on the building side. So after cleansing, you help rejuvenate the tissues of the body by putting really good stuff in, and it helps build strong, resilient tissues from the inside out.